Interesting. This bathroom features American Standard Flushometers on the urinals. However, we have Kohler toilets here. Toilet number 1 looks to be a newer Wellworth with the flush canister or flush tower, pretty much similar to what Mansfield would offer. Right. Let's just see how this thing flushes, shall we? Nothing to write home about. Well, number 2. For disabled persons, or just an extra toilet. Same thing. Looks to be a newer Wellworth. Funky looking handle. Now, what I don't get is why we have American Standard urinals, yet Kohler toilets. This one happens to have a right mounted handle on it. Alright, let's give her a flush. These types of toilets are alright. Just never cared for the flush. I prefer the swirly flush of American Standard because to me it seems to have a better bowl rinse. I would have expected either Cadet 3s, Champion 4s, or an Estate Warmax toilets, which are top notch from American Standard. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.